Welcome back.
It's the very
episode. It's the very episode number 16.
yes.
Of Parents of the Dead.
Mm-hmm.
And we are rolling dice for our life. We created some events the last time.
Mm-hmm.
And today we are going to create some animations.
We're
It'll
going
be
to
very fantastic visual payoff today.
Oh wow! I hope you're right. So we have this dice roll event, and we need to actionize it.
Yes, that's right. I just wanted to get it out there because I once heard this tip that you should always overpromise and underdeliver.
Yes, that's true.
So that's what I'm going for here.
Roll
the dice. For those of you who don't remember, actionize what is basically the process of taking an event from our domain and turning it into things that the client should do to its data.
Mm.
Yes,
that's true.
So when you actionize a dice roll event, the client should just store the dice.
Yes. What do we do about... Yeah, we have it here. We have added dice, and associate and dice, die 1, and then it has some faces. It has the die class and the cube class. All
right. Okay. Great. So so we've taken care of a lot of the details here because the details of the CSS animation, spoiler, is just a bunch of class names.
It's true.
Yeah.
And we are missing the face.
Are we missing the faces? Yeah, from our example.
From the events. The event actually doesn't need the faces enabled.
Great. So
no, it doesn't, because we don't have to change any faces. We only have to change the die class and the cube class.
Ah, that's right. Because
yes.
because the faces are already there.
Yes.
Very nice.
That's good.
So then you can just do a more surgical. Yeah, right.
This is going to be sweet.
Sweet. So what classes do we need? Like we have this. We have a DOM structure.
Mm-hmm.
Pull it up.
Yeah, I'll pull it up. Where's the DOM structure?
We're all very happy that you remember this, but everyone watching might not.
So entering. Yeah, here we are.
Yeah.
A die can be entering, it can be rolling, using, or used.
Mm-hmm.
So it's rolling is the one we're going for now.
Yeah. And when is it using? That's later. That's later. Yeah.
And so this is the die class. The die is rolling.
And then you need to be entering. No, you need to have roll X to Y.
Cube class. Mm-hmm. So we have a cube class. I'm sorry. Roll 2 to 4. Oh, wow.
Wow.
This was a lot sweeter than I actually thought.
If I'm not totally mistaken, this probably means that we don't have to make any changes to the client.
It doesn't look like it.
Huh.
That's pretty sweet.
Interesting.
So die 2 to 4. That's not die number 1.
Yeah, 1 to 2.
1 to 2.
And 2 to 4.
So do we wait between each die?
We don't want them to roll perfectly coordinated.
That's true.
So there needs to be a little bit of delay between each.
I think so, but I'm just wondering if maybe that's already taken care of by the styles.
Uh-huh.
So we have rolling. Yeah, look, there's animation delay on each die.
Okay, so we can just trigger them all in one go.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Cool. So here's a test for you, and there's no matching clause. There's no matching clause for dice rolled.
So this actually looks easier than I thought it would be.
Yeah, same.
So, dice rolled. That's here.
Mm-hmm.
Just thinking about the alphabet here.
Mm-hmm.
And then these are rolls, not dice, like you said. So, roll dice.
Rolls.
Hmm?
Yeah, rolls. Not dice.
Ah, sorry. And then we'll just do this. And then for roll, we can even do a little bit of destructuring here.
Mm-hmm.
We need the die ID.
Mm-hmm.
We need from, to, and the role ID. Where's the role ID, mister?
Yeah, that's a good... I think maybe that has to be associated as well.
Mm-hmm. As what? Key?
Yeah, that's nice. Can two dice have the same key? Maybe they should have like prefixed with their die ID.
Yeah, good point. So it will be die 0, 0.
Yeah, great. That looks pretty nice because it sort of implies what's going on.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. So then we also need that one. That is, it's called the roll. I already have it.
Yep. So you need a map cat.
Ah, damn. Where's forcat?
Yes.
I need forcat.
Forcat should be in the next version of Clojure.
So it'll be like this instead. And then rolls. And not here. Because, yeah, I don't like this. I want forcat.
It's time to copy 3 lines.
Right, you are. So there we go. And then it says rolling. That's just a string, hard-coded string. And then this one will be like so and so. From to. Don't need that. And here we have this part. Yeah, okay. Str die ID. And then you probably want to do name and seed.
Roll ID.
Ah.
And then the die ID in the SOS.
Yeah. Good.
Almost.
This is a upcoming browser from Microsoft. Yeah.
So this one is complaining about the lack of weighting.
Lack of what?
Waiting.
Lack of waiting. Yeah, that comes towards the end. So, I don't know.
Concat?
Concat.
Yeah.
Weight 1800. There you go. And then my thinking is that this is probably enough.
Yeah, we have to fix the update game.
Yes.
At least to recognize the event.
Do we have? So here's update game, right? So we can. I'll just add a test here. So it's update game. Roll.
Dice rolled.
Dice rolled. It's added dice. Dice rolled.
Yeah, it's a bit weird.
And then we'll just update game. Dice, die, 0, ID. Oh, we don't actually need to implement it.
We don't really, no, not to see it, but the payoff is bigger if we just do a quick.
Yeah. Okay. Let's
get it done.
Yeah. Let's get it done. So I can't live with this difference in naming.
No, I agreed.
We'll have to fix it.
We'll fix it.
Dice roll, and that should be a list of stuff like this. Die ID, die 1. And it probably only cares about 2.
Yeah.
And this, it doesn't work. What I should end up with will be the game with current phase
3.
set to 3.
Yeah. Perfect.
That's not the case. So
that's not the case indeed. So we have update game here, and we have dice added.
No, rolled.
Rolls.
Just keep making that point, man. Yeah. Naming is hard.
Naming is hard. So we will do reduce game and roll. And I will do reduce roll roll die game and rolls.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because then you don't have to do reduce in here. Very nice.
And I will do association dice. And here's why I created a map earlier.
Yeah.
Association game, dice, die ID on the roll, current phase, 2 on the roll. Let's see. Die ID. is going on? Can you tell me what's wrong?
It's 37. It's up here.
Oh, it's die ID does not match.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. And then die ID is 0 in the event as well.
There we go. So it's just a flaky test.
Actually, you changed all the right values and you kept the wrong one. The key here. The key in the map was the wrong one. You changed all the other ones.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It works now. And then, yeah. So
should we just see if it works?
Let's go for our big moment. You didn't have to refresh the page.
That's true. Yay! Woo!
This is what I mean by over-promising and under-delivering. This is exactly according to my plan.
Yes. Update game, reroll. Undead game, reroll in game CLJ.
Mm-hmm.
So here we are. This one fails.
On line 40.
On line 40, which is the seed. Oh, do we not save the seed? No, we don't care about saving the seed either. Okay, I'll quickly do that.
Yeah.
Like this. Don't even write a test for it.
Drum roll.
Oh, wow. That
oh
looks
my God.
Cool. Oh, yeah. Because we were not using the key.
All right. Yeah.
That's why we added the key.
That's why we added the key.
So
we don't want to die. That kind of destroys the illusion a little bit if the dice just spin in place.
I agree. So how is Actionizer? It actually has just a key. So key, and we will add it to the die like this.
Yep.
And now it rolls for us. I forgot to roll them because it used the key that it already
used
got.
the key.
Pretty cool. We'll roll. And we'll roll again.
Oh,
yeah.
It's amazing. So now we've delivered exactly what we promised. So good. And that's a wrap up for today. And remember to take care of your loved ones.
That's a good advice, people. Yeah.
So see you next time.